We're excited you'll be joining us as a Millennium Alliance keynote speaker. Here's the stage you'll be presenting on. Let's dig into a few more details. You can start your keynote presentation with a few slides to frame the conversation, and then continue to make it an interactive and engaging conversation. You can also choose to do a standalone keynote presentation where no slides are required. Sometimes we have found this to be the most successful keynote presentation that really gets the audience involved. Another option you can choose from is a fireside chat. This is more of a casual interview setting where we would bring in an advisory board member, an academic, or an analyst partner to interview you on stage. If you feel more comfortable with the podium, we can definitely have that set up on stage for you as well. 6:15 marks cocktail hour, where all of the attendees come together at the end of day one, and we encourage you to join along. At 7 o'clock, we'll bring everyone into the keynote room, where dinner will be served. As attendees are finishing up dinner, we'll bring you on stage and set the timer for 30 to 35 minutes. And don't worry, we'll have a confidence monitor below to tell you what time you're at. Before cocktail hour, you'll be able to come into the keynote room to speak to the AV team who will be set up in the back of the room. They can discuss with you which type of microphone you'd like to use, whether it be a handheld or a lapel mic. They'll also be able to test your slide deck so you'll be ready to go for your keynote address. If you decide you'd like to do a Q&A at the end of your keynote address, a Millennium Alliance staff member will be at the back of the room ready to pass around a mic. We hope this was helpful, and we look forward to having you join us.